Okay, today we're going to try an audio recorder. It's a free app to record your voice on iPad. We're using a wireless lavalier mic. If you need any of these wireless mics or anything, even the iPad, let me know and I'll be happy to show you. So let's kick off the audio recorder. Just like all the other apps, you're just going to hit OK to allow it to record. Here's the interface for it. Pretty simple. It's purple in color. It tells you how much storage is remaining, and you can choose different options here if you wanted to. The recording quality. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Choose the way it looks on here as far as your graphs and when you're actually recording. So let's hit record and see what that sounds like. This is an audio recording with the Voice Recorder audio recorder app. Checking 1 2, check 1 2. Checking 1 2, check 1 2. So you can change the way the waveform looks. Checking 1 2, check 1 2. That's very nice. I like that. Check 1 2, check 1 2. Audio recorder. This is just a test. Okay, so let's hit stop. You can change the name if you want to, but just hit OK, and now it's saved as a file, and we can go back and play it. Let's play it. This is an audio recording with the Voice Recorder audio recorder app. Checking 1 2, check 1 2. Okay, so from there you can cut it. It gives you a user guide right there. You can trim it, remove a part, or add a copy. Okay, very easy to use. And you can just trim it like that on the top. You can remove a part. You can add a copy, do whatever you need here. You can listen to the results. And then if you don't need this, like this is just for me. Oh, by the way, you can also make this bigger. But for me, I don't need this anymore. So let's go back. And you can share it up here. You can just share it to your Google Drive or wherever else you need it. Or you can just delete the file if you don't need it anymore. Let's go to the settings. So here you can change different settings. This file format, we can go up here, and this is where you find your file right there. So if you don't need it anymore, you can just hit that, and you can just hit delete or share it, depending on what you want to do. You can listen to it again too. So let's not keep that because this is just a test. Okay, and there you go. It's just that easy. Hope you found it useful. Bye.